Hi, welcome to my video that's not tutorial. This is the first time I'm doing one, and today, for no reason whatsoever, I'll be Snow White. Or I'll try to be. First, I washed my face, and now I'm into my skincare before I put anything else. And then I put on this pore eraser something. Then now I'm putting foundation. I don't really put so much or dwell so much into it since my skin is already nice sharp. I mean, I don't need to cover much. Then eye concealer. It didn't really do anything much for me, but people in YouTube are doing it, so yeah. Then now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm trying to curve my eyebrows since Snow White has a curve and like a straight line. So I'm trying to make my eyebrows thinner and curvier without changing so much. My eyebrows are Game of Thrones, that's why I'm showing it. So yeah, I'm cleaning my eyebrows. That's how stark. And then I put on eyebrow Kyle. Snow White had from pictures like brown eyeshadow, so I'm trying to create a brown kind of shadow. I used 3 shades of brown and then put a little gold on top of it. Then did the same on my under eye. This is a brown eyeliner, so I don't have a black. This eyeliner stopped. I think it ran out of ink in the middle of my second eye, so I decided to cover it up with eyeshadow. Then using my very cheap mascara, I don't have a curler, so that's why I put mascara on it repeatedly. And then contour. I put powder on the white sides, I guess. And then nose contour. I think it's a highlighter. I don't know if it's highlighter, the one that I've been using. Then blush. Snow White had a really red blush. That's why I put so much of this. And then lips. I don't really have a red, and this is the reddest. I can find. And then I put in contacts because Snow White had like brownish somehow eyes. And then my sister did my hair. Snow White have like a short bob, and then I have a very long hair, so I tried to find a way to make it short, look short. So the end results look like this. In the photo, I've edited my lips to make it look redder, making it like bright red. And then I've also edited somehow my skin to make it whiter than I am, because Snow White is super white. So that's all.